tools needed for this install: Phillips screwdriver, pliers, wire crimper, multimeter, T-tap connectors. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today I'll show you how to install Spyder headlights on a 99 to 06 GMC Sierra. First, let's open up the hood. Now that we have the hood open, we're ready to uninstall the hardware that secures the headlight. So what holds the headlight in place are these two metal rods. So you're just gonna push it forward to release it. And after that, we're just gonna pull them straight out. After removing the two rods, go ahead and unseat your headlight. Just pull it forward. Turn it over to the back here. We're gonna disconnect the high beam bulb by turning it clockwise. And then the low beam bulb, we're just gonna lift up on the tab and disconnect the harness from the bulb. This next step, you're gonna need a multimeter, 2 male T-tap connectors, and your pliers. If you need assistance with T-tapping, you'll find a video link in the description. So to pull this bottom assembly out, there's this clip. You're just gonna press it down this way, and you're gonna be able to pull this forward. And we're gonna be able to pull it out. So here's the release clip, and here's the turn signal socket. Go ahead and disconnect that. You're gonna press on the tab and carefully turn it counterclockwise. So after using a multimeter, figuring out which wire is which, I installed a male T-tap connector to the negative wire and a male T-tap connector to the parking positive wire. Now we're ready to bring over our Spyder headlight. Bring over your headlight, turn it over to the back. So I installed female T-tap connectors to these two wires here. Got the positive and the negative, and these wires power the light bar. So first, go ahead and plug in your low beam bulb. Grab your high beam bulb, install it into the assembly. Turn it counterclockwise to lock it in place. Go ahead and grab these wires, feed it to the bottom on the inside of the grill. Go ahead and carefully seat your headlight in place. Reinstall your two rods, securing the headlight. Lock it in place. Reinstall your other one. Lock that in place. Grab the two wires. Plug in the positive wire to the positive wire. And the negative wire to the negative wire. Reinstall your turn signal bulb. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Go ahead and seat this bottom assembly back into place. We're gonna put this part in first, into the slot. And then push the outside to lock it in place. Now that we're finished installing our passenger side headlight, let's repeat the same process to the opposite side. Now that we're finished installing our headlights, let's close the hood and test all our headlight functions.